Good day, everybody. We've got this Craftsman 25cc blower here, the B200 model. Got some gas 50-to-1 mix here I'm going to use with it as well. Well, here's everything that comes in the box. Got the motor, 2 pieces to the end of the blower. Got some fuel mix to mix with some fuel, so I'll save that for later since I've already got some of that. Of course, the owner's manual. Okay, for assembly here, this is just going to snap right in. It's going to snap right in there. Okay, just push that towards that till you hear that thing snap in. Same thing with this. This is just going to go right on the end here. Push that in, snap it up through that hole. I'm going to go ahead and put fuel in it and we'll get it started. Now, so you can see this is just for starting. And then once we hear it take off a little bit, we'll put it on warm up and then let's run. What we need to do first is push this about 10 times. Get that fuel going through it. See the fuel start to get in there. Now we're going to go ahead and push that into the carburetor. It's the very first time I've started this thing up. Let's see how good it does. Alright, so now we'll put it on warm up.